A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? Welcome to another lit hair video. For today's hair company, we are working with Eayon Hair. Yes, I love the package design, the little marble design. Really nice. Oh, excuse my nails. We are quarantining. And honey, this is just how I have to be for now. They also have their website listed here on the side, so you can go ahead and check out their website for further, products. So when I open the box, what I see first is this card. Has their social media and stuff, their Instagram and stuff. So that's that. Then we have a wig cap. A wig cap is a must in a hair package. Like, that's just me. That's how I feel, period. Then we have like a little gift here. This is a little fashion jewelry. This looks like it's a clip, like those clips you can stick in the side. Like, oh, it's actually a pin, like a pin you can put at the side to make it look really nice. Accentuate your hairstyle. The final thing we got in the box is the hair. So for today's hair, I'm excited for this, because it's been a while since I've rocked a bob. So today we have this bob here, and this is the Invisible Knot 10A grade raw Remy hair, 13x6 lace front straight bob wig. It is pre-plucked, but I will definitely go into this, honey, to get it more graduated. You guys know how I feel about that. And this is definitely bleached. The lace is definitely bleached. It has a nice deep parting. I'm always happy when I see the wigs come with a nice deep parting. You guys see that? Definitely bleached. So I'm happy about that. I want to get this laid and slayed and really like bone straight. I'm gonna put the specific name, the specific details and everything in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. Definitely in this hot time, I feel like a wig like this is very nice, especially if you're in the Caribbean like me. It's extremely hot right now. It's burning up. I don't know what's going on. It's as if summer switched around to springtime and things just got really wild with everything else that's going on. I really don't understand. So I mean, like, wearing this length hair is very like convenient. It's not as like stressful and hot. So I'm happy I got this bob. It comes with 3 combs in the cap, 1 in the back, 2 on the sides, and then we have adjustable straps, and it's nicely constructed. It's a very nicely constructed wig. So yeah, and it's a regular 1B hair color. I'm gonna go and customize this some more. You guys don't need me to repeat that, like, in terms of plucking right now, because I literally just uploaded a tutorial for beginners on how to pluck your lace frontal. So please go ahead and check that out. The link will be in my description box for you guys to do so. So don't sleep on that, guys. I've literally tried my best to break down different tips and tricks and just techniques of finessing your wig in general in different videos, because of course we can't do everything in one video. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that, and then I'm gonna jump into just styling the wig, laying it and all that good stuff.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling, the cityscape by night.
Guys, as you can see, I am applying my wig. Nothing you've never seen before. I do have a very detailed wig application video, one for beginners It's for beginners, so feel free to go ahead, check that out. It's very, very detailed. And honestly, while I was applying the wig, I honestly didn't expect the lace to melt this beautifully. I really love that. You guys know I'm a sucker for a really good lace because I'm all about the meltdown. I love when a wig can just really look like it's growing from your scalp, and every day I'm still perfecting my craft on, you know, making it seem as if it's really coming from the scalp. I judge myself really, really hard, so I'm always trying to improve. I never feel like I am there. Honestly, I never do. I'm always pushing, no matter how good you might feel like, or no matter how good I might feel like something look, I never get comfortable. That's just me. So I'm always trying to up my skill, up my knowledge on just, you know, everything, every aspect overall in my life, that is. But yeah, I really love the quality of the, guys, the quality of the hair is like butter. Honestly, taking out of the package, I was like, okay, this feels good, but actually styling it and stuff, like I realized that the hair is like gorgeous, like minimal flyaways. Once I started to flat iron it, the flow is like butter. It has a really nice luster. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I'm not even gas it more than it needs to be gassed. It is honestly so bomb, and I didn't even go ahead and cut off any more inches off of it. It came what, at 12 inches, I believe. I'm gonna put the specifications in the description box so you guys can be sure on that. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna cut off a couple more inches, but when I was just, I don't know, it was just so gorgeous, I didn't mind leaving it as is. It's a gorgeous bob, and I feel like it's perfect for the summertime right now. I'm in Jamaica, and it's extremely hot, extremely hot. So I feel like this bob is like definitely a win for this type of weather. I'm all done with that. I'm rocking very neutral makeup, very neutral vibe. You see, this is where the hair falls on me. It's right at my shoulders. I love it. When I style my bobs, I usually love to like put one side behind my ear. I don't know, it's just a thing with me. I don't like covering down the side of my face like that. I don't know, I feel like I'm suffocating, honestly. But it's really, really flat. As you guys know, I use my hot comb to really lay the top, the roots. I did not add anything to it. Like, you know, the other day I was using like you know, like serums, a bit of serum here and there, and heat protectant. If you're looking for a nice straight bob, when work start, keep again. When outside start, keep again. All my office girls can go ahead and get this because it's a bob, it's a vibe. It's very, you know, you can always just slick it behind your ears, both ears, get it really sleek and straight, and you're good to go. Perfect for corporate world. Perfect, perfect. That's pretty much it for today's video. If you enjoyed this, if it was an informative video, if you like the bob, go ahead and give it a thumb up. And also you can check out the information on the wig down below in the description box. I know I've been doing a lot of hair from the other day, a lot of hair. Kind of shifted my focus a little bit. I really just love changing up my hair looks, and I mean, in quarantine, I mean, you get pretty bored pretty easily, and remember, from morning me always get bored easily with my hair. So just imagine now I can't even gonna wear with them, but I'm stocking up on looks. And like, yeah, all right, cool, you know. So when outside start keep again, me I wear this go here, so me I wear that go there, so yeah So that's the vibe. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, go and make up on yourself, and don't forget to check out my vlog channel for new vlogs. So yeah, bye.